Here you got a 1943 World War II Jeep built by Ford. So is that a Ford or a Jeep? I don't know. 43 World War II. So got your non-directional tires. Watch out in the rain with those things. Got your shovel. Got your axe. There. Got your drain hole right there. Oh, hand crank windshield wipers. Either it's passenger or the driver. And gotcha. Those type of e-tools I like better than the ones that you got today, with the little pick on them. Even though they take a little more room up, I think they're better. 5-gallon jerry can, mess kit. I think that's a mess kit on there. The other e-tool, not sure what that is. I should know. Lucky Strike cigarettes. There you go. That's what you want. One's for four-wheel drive, one's for low range. There's no lockout hub, so it's always in front stuff is always spinning, man. You know. They get, I think, 20 miles to the gallon MoGas. MoGas, that's what they call it, MoGas. The flammable stuff.